Hello, my dear. Welcome to my YouTube family. Don't forget to leave the subscribe with you and your friend in a comment under any video if you subscribe, and bring the confirmation from your friend in a comment as well. You will get the coupon for a full mini chat reading, and I will send you in reply in comment the link for your full reading. My guys, don't forget the PayPal donation will go to the Back Southeast Asia, my orphanage idea that I'm supporting last 15 years. It's not idea, it's realization in the orphanage in the places in Southeast Asia, and as well Thailand, Golden Triangle, and Sumatra idea of wildlife protection orphans. Let's see first the collective for Saji. Collective energy for Saji, then 5 minutes single, and another 5 to 10 minutes the married Saji. Dream big, the first one. Dream big because you're being helped from the universe. Let go of small thoughts about yourself. See yourself succeeded. Have a manifestation exercise, morning manifestation, or the frequency musical therapy. You have it on YouTube. You're welcome to check. That will help you the frequency for manifesting anything, because your prayers will and manifestation will come to true, helped by the universe. And give me 2 more for Saji. Again, it's showing up the new dawn. It's amazing. Just be patient. The new dawn will come. And yes, some of you need a healing period or maturity to make a decision. I will just put on the bottom to reach that new dawn. Sagittarius, you're childish, and yes, it's still this concentration on your superpower, being independent at work, but keeping the love in a waiting mode again and again, Sagi. What about the single Sagittarius? Single. The single, they will travel. And yes, the single getting the new somebody is divorcing. It could be back, or you're going on a travel, meeting a Libra. That's for the message for the single. Wait a second. I'm going to see more. There is this judgment call for justice. Are you going to have a situation where was something not being treated well in the past time, and somebody is getting enlightenment to get back in balance the things? And definitely there is a guilty call of that person. Is that a King of Pentacles, the earth sign you could deal with? There's definitely being a brave towards that, getting back to balance with the person that was waiting for you a long period. And I will just tell you, you are showing up always as a King of Pentacles. Money is very good, but on the other side, there is this erotical magnetic person. I will just tell you, this person will be hurted because there is one, or that you just being sexual, and another is just grounded, provider, total, full, bachelor, most wanted. Which one you will be? This is my question. Because I don't see balance between one wanted the sex and one wanted marriage and everything. That's the message for single Sagittarius. Let me confirm with the spinal notes. Thank you. Yes, follow your intuition to reconnect with that person. Be just brave. Whoever you feel guilty for, this with this guilty card, yes, you need to go back balance to that person. Bless the change, and the new blessing will come. I'm in a healing mode. I need to make a decision, and some of you may be waiting for a person that will divorce. It can be. And blessed will be the new change. If you say yes to your intuition, yes, this is my soulmate, I will wait a little bit more. This is a message for people who are waiting a little bit more for that person to show up again. I will just tell you 2 times the universe is telling you, wait. So please, the single Sagittarius or partner Sagittarius, just give them a little bit more time. Let me see the minute 5. Start the reading for the married one. Sagittarius married or with a living partner. Somebody want to release to go off. Six of Swords, like I'm releasing this battle. Is that the person that wants to divorce? There is a Queen of Pentacles in charge, and there is this Six of Wands. There is like a victory over that person that was a provider in the family. I'm releasing this codependency. I'm tired of being codependent with the Queen of Pentacles back at home. I want to follow my heart. I'm a King of Cups. The Sagittarius married is totally, I will just tell you, there is this situation, there is a dreamy situation, and just having a crossroad between two persons, King of Wands and King of Cups, like you will have two possibilities, my dear. I just think there is a true moment. Which one you will be your desire? You have to have a clarity. Which one is your true desire, deep heart connection? Because at the end of the day, there are here like a double cheaters. I see all kind of signs. Check this: two wifey, two husband. Like I think that you're overthinking of returning that towards the your desire is a person that is as well married and you're married. That's what I think. This Six of Wands is your desire to connect with the person. One you want to release, right? There is one couple want to release divorce, and there is another that is your desire. I'm just telling you, there are Queen of Cups, your soul connection, and Queen of Pentacles back in charge of your love. Still not divorced. There is not here. King Sagittarius is still not divorced. There is a King of Wands and King of Cups. Do you want to be a player or you want to follow your heart? That is a choice. On the bottom will be divorce. This is the answer. Somebody will tell the truth. Check this. There will be truth saying and divorce with both sides. They want to divorce because somebody will find out there is a pregnancy here, or the divorce will happen during the season of Taurus. This is the message for the married Sagittarius. You're divorcing finally after being in this funny situation where both parties are not single. Yes, follow your intuition about that heart choice. Six of Wands. Yes, this person is your past life connection, and blessed will be the change if you divorce and connect with that right one. I see 2 times 6 with the reverse 8, and it's confirming the divine magic synchronicity. And follow this of watching the daily signs about synchronicity. And yes, whenever you see sign, this is the right moment to reconnect with that person. That is your pastime connection. Because we had on the start on the oracles wait mode, somebody was there overthinking of leaving, not leaving, but at the end in the season of May, this person will leave. That's what I see. That is in May, this person is going to make a decision. That's the Sagi married, and first 5 minutes was the reading for a single one. Don't forget to follow the PayPal link, and leave me your comments under the video, proof of you and your friend subscribed under the video, so that I can send you your free full reading in a link under your comment. Peace and love to all. I love you.